Your break even is 24,800. My break even is 24,300. You are exposed to 500 points higher. Here is the calculation which you have skipped. So here in front of you, the real time calculation Nifty daily chart. In fact, in this video, we are going to challenge the most popular method. And you know what I'm talking about. We're talking about cash secured put. We're talking about naked put selling. We are talking about wheel strategy. All these things are super popular, and obviously retail working people do love it. Today we're gonna question exactly that. So stay with me towards the end of the video. I'm going to tell you the method. I'm going to suggest you an alternative. And towards the end, we're gonna talk about adjustment, which you keep asking in the comment section. Let's start this. Now here, what you see is a Nifty daily chart. Now obviously it's not a recommendation, just an example. Now what do we see very clearly? That around this level, 25,100, 25,000 roughly, this happens to be the support, which is quite visible, and this is what the chart is telling us. Now, what do maximum people do is, they try to sell a put option. Let me show you the exact premium and what do everybody kind of think of doing it, but there is one blind spot which I'll try to remove today. So here we are on an option chain. Like I showed you on the chart, 25,000 put is trading at 197.5. This expiry is February. That means this is 30 days out. Very common option strike if anybody has to look forward to sell based on the support, which I see almost everybody do it, but that's okay till today. Now, when you sell a put, what happens? Now let's talk about pure maths, and here I want you to focus for a few minutes and really enjoy this video. So attention here is required. Now here what you see is that if we sell this particular put, trading at 197.5, the break even of the trade is 24,802. What do I mean is that suppose if Nifty go down to 24,800, then naturally this put is going to be in the money by 200 points. Simple calculation. In that situation, what do we see is that the trade comes out in loss. That means the real loss starts from 24,802.5. That is the break even. Nifty can go down to even 24,500 by the speed it's falling, the kind of volatility which we have in the market. So selling a naked put and how much margin it requires is approximately 1,66,000, 1,70,000. It varies from the broker. The main important question which nobody is asking, that is, can we use the similar kind of a capital? And obviously, naked put selling, maybe because you want to do a wheel strategy or any other strategy. Similar margin, making your break even really down. And also, if market go down or if market go up, can we do something around that? So let me take you on the daily chart and really explain the nitty-gritties of it. And after that, adjustments. I'm sure you like to learn. So here, the popular method selling a 25,000 put. Maybe your reason is you like to do a wheel strategy if market go down, or cash secured put, or you just like to sell naked options. Option 1. Option 2, instead of this, why don't we do this? The view remain the same, everything remain the same, but here what we are doing is that we are buying a put upfront. Instead of 25,000 selling, we are buying a 24,800 put. Stay with me, let's do some brainstorming, you and me. After we buy, what do we do is that we sell two puts of 24,600. That's right, we are buying one and then we are selling two. When we do this, what you see is that the break even has really gone down to 24,320 approximately. Let me show you on the Excel. So it really, the concept gets really clear in your mind what exactly we're trying to achieve here. So now let's discuss. Same everything, same margin, 168 approximately. We bought the put, we sold two puts now. Now let's put one and one together. Suppose if market expires at 25,000 approximately, obviously out of the money puts become, what do they become? You know it, it becomes worthless, so approximately zero. In that situation, we look forward to gain whatever the credit is. In this situation is 80 points. I'm going to tell you how to improve your credit as I move along. But if market go down to suppose 24,800, then what's going to happen? The same. If market go down to 24,600, then what is going to happen? If that happens, then the put which we bought is going to be in the money, of course, and the put which we sold is expected to be zero because this is right at the money. If that happens, then what we see is that overall, if we calculate what we gained from both the puts, it happens to be 280 points plus in this as per the calculation. Now, let me compare this. Let me go up and see break even of the simple selling put was 24,800. Now here, the break even has gone down to 24,320. I hope you're making a good note of it. And if market go down to 24,600 in the popular style, 24,600, what's going to happen is that this is going to be 400 points in the money and whopping -2 or 2.5 loss. But at the same level of 24,600, here we are getting 279.95. With every minute, I'm going to go more deeper into this, right? Now, capital requirement, 168. Break even has gone down, of course, whopping approximately 500 points. Let me show you. You want to see that, right? It's 24,300, suppose if market go to. This put becomes in the money by 500 points, right? This put becomes in the money by 300 points. Of course, no doubt about that. In that situation, we look forward to get some kind of a loss, which is approximately 20 points. Other traders who already have the framework 3 months or 6 months ago, they're not wondering anymore. They already have the framework and the strategy and the adjustment points. Now, let's see this on the chart. So visual will improve on your learning and then adjustment is coming next. So this is what I'm saying. If market stays up from here, obviously we have bought and we sold the put, there is no issue. If market goes sideways also, obviously this green and the red which you see is the bought put and the sold put. There is no issue. If market go down even more and suppose touch our sold strike, which is panic for most of the option sellers. Of course, panic I understand because, selling the naked put without really realizing the nitty-gritties of it. But here, till the time market go down and go down and go down and go down and touch here, see it on the chart where exactly it is. Versus in the earlier option, suppose if market fall a little bit, the position immediately is in trouble. Now, you may ask, if market continue to go down and suppose even break the 24,300, then what's going to happen? So I have a simple question which I want to ask you. When you sell a naked put, what exactly do you do? What do you do? Do you turn it into a wheel strategy? I've made a video in the past, you can learn that. Very popular strategy among retail, right? Or you probably do a roll down or you can do other adjustments, right, in this. But here what you get, if market go down and market even go more down, then those remedies which you had originally with the naked put, can't we do this here if market continue to fall down? Now you must be wondering, why do people just sell a put option instead? Why do they just simply sell a put option? Because I'll tell you, it's convenient. That is the reason, right? Making the calculation, taking an extra work and knowing all the nitty-gritties of it, that takes certain amount of brain power, that requires certain amount of understanding. This business is all about understanding. It's about strategy, mechanics and adjustments. But to understand something like this, your basics must be in place. Same margin, break even, but now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, what if market go bullish? What if market really starts to go up? How do we collect more credit? Interesting. And obviously I'm going to throw some more light on that. So here we are on important point which I must discuss. Number one, if market starts to go up, we bought a put, we sold two. Can't we roll the put up? When we roll the put up, we collect extra credit. Simple. That is something which can be done if you view changes from bearish to bullish. After major crash adjustment, I've already told you, cash secured put, probably you can roll down the option, probably you can square off your trade, you can long the future. These three adjustments can be done, and there are more as well, but I don't want to make this video really long. There are three conditions in which even if everything looks perfect, I'm not going to enter this strategy. What are those 3 points? What are those 3 filters which tells me that should I deploy or should I not deploy? Probably I'll leave it for other video because that will require detailed explanation and obviously adjustment as well. And before you ask, can you do this on the upside instead? Obviously, very popular question and I'm expecting it. I've showed you example of put because in one video I can't show you both put and the call. It depends on the view. If your view is bullish, then the put side makes sense. But if your view is bearish, then obviously the call side makes sense. Calculation is something which you have to do. Your exposure, if you're selling naked puts, you got to make sure if market go up, sideways or down, consider all three situations. And then when you compare the two strategies heads on, including adjustments, obviously the winner out of these two will pop out in front of you. Very, very easy. It is easy if somebody's showing it to you step by step, guiding you, telling you, coaching you. Things become a lot more easier. Now from the next trade, whenever you're putting on a strategy, ask yourself, what is the backup plan? Can you make it better? Important question. That's the exact reason why I tell you, hit and trial way of trading one must avoid into the markets. So today we have covered a lot of ground. We have discussed the so-called popular selling a naked put. Can we make it better? Can we improve on that? How can we improve on that? How can we shift our break even? We don't want to, have additional margin. Same margin we want to play this. But if the first step is faulty and nobody is pointing it out, everything else may just not be as good as you plan. So that is something which we covered. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Wish you all the best. Signing off. Bye-bye.